This brief video is intended to be a quick introduction to the Cypress Semiconductor PSoC development tool. During this demo, we'll create a new project targeted at a PSoC 5, leaving the default design name at Design 01. Once the project has been generated, a blank sheet is available for us to drag components onto. You'll find a component catalog in the right-hand plane. In this particular case, we're going to drag over a clock, and we're going to use a digital output. All we need do is drag those devices over, and it creates a net between them. By double-clicking on any component, we can configure it. In this case, we'll set the clock at 1 Hz. We'll also rename the pin LED. Ensure it's a digital output and hardware connected. From here, we go to our design-wide resources, where we can see the actual component. In our right-hand side, we see the pin that we just created. We need only assign it now. After looking through the schematic on the development board, I know that P6 pin 3 is our output LED. Here you can see it is actually assigned and labeled. We can now download this project to the development board. From within the debug menu, we simply select Program and select the targeted board that we would like to connect to. And select OK. During this process, it's going through generating the HDL, synthesizing it, placing and routing it, and then going through a compile process. While it's doing that, we can step back over to our schematic and look at all the advanced functionalities that are available. Those include features like simple logic gates, functionalities like PWMs. There's an entire library available. We now switch our view over, seeing our development board as it goes through the programming process. That 1 Hz clock being hooked directly to the pin should show us a blink 50% duty cycle at 1 Hz. That's as easy as it is to create a project and download it using the PSoC Creator development tool.